This is the Wilco mini greenhouse. As you can see, the autumn sown sweet peas are growing well. I've got some lupins in here as well, which I'll put on at some point. And there is one chilli plant that has survived the whole winter so far, and we are 9th of February now. Outside, that's 18,029, is a Pequeño red. I've got some coriander, which has been growing slowly for some time. They're in with my tayberry and Oregon thornless blackberry. Over here we've got some 5 pots that were just containing chilli plants until now, but they were dead or nearly so have been pulled out so that we can use these pots again. And these are the 2 apple trees and my Christmas tree. Here's a couple of hanging baskets. There's a fuschia, geraniums and California poppy going in these.